Hey dolls and gents, today I have a video on how I basically curled this new lace closure wig that I made using hair from Dsoar Hair, and I am rocking their Brazilian straight hair. I decided to go ahead and curl it. I did curl it with a curling wand today. As you can see, my curling wand looks crazy. It looks ratchet. It's missing so much. But why is it when a curling wand or a flat iron is like really old when it starts to work like the best? Like, what's up with that? Am I the only one? Let me know in the comments down below. So I am rocking 3 bundles of Brazilian straight hair from Dsoar Hair. I'm rocking 24, 22, 20-inch plus an 18-inch lace closure. I did go in and bleach my knots. I do have my baby hairs like coming out of the wig right now just because I haven't rocked a lace closure wig in a while and I didn't feel like adhering it down. I honestly don't even have an elastic band on this wig, but it's nice and snug on my head. Like, I love the fit of this. And even though this is straight hair, it curls like a dream. Like, this hair is freaking gorgeous. Like, do y'all see that? Freaking gorgeous, you guys. So if you want to see how I curled my hair today, then y'all already know what to do. Stay tuned. So these curls are super simple to do. I first am going to part the hair into 2 sections and I'm going to work one side at a time. I am starting with my left hand side and I'm using this Remington curling wand. I don't even know the size of this, but I will link it down below for you guys. It has been used so many times. I've had it for years and I swear, like, the older it gets, the better. I love this curling wand. So I am curling away from my head and I'm going to do the same on both sides. And as you can see, I'm holding it in my hand for like 3 to 4 seconds just to let it cool a little bit. And this allows the curls to like stay more curled instead of like just dropping instantly. When you like let it loose from the curling wand, you definitely want to hold it for a little bit of time. So even though this is straight hair, it does hold a curl really nice. And I'm not doing a really defined curls because the bigger the wand, the more loose the curls are going to be. I just really want like nice tousled waves. I feel like this is perfect on like a regular basis when you want just like something simple and you don't want straight hair. You just want a little bit of something. Like, I highly recommend using a curling wand. So when I do the top layers, I don't bring it all the way up to the root because it looks kind of weird like that. I mean, if you want to go for that look, you can do that. But I like to do it like right at my cheekbone. And to me, it gives it like the perfect look. So I'm going to do the other side of my hair off camera and I'll be right back. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give your girl a big thumbs up.